Hi class, welcome back to the Lab 1 video series. This is video 2. We're starting from our PuTTY SSH connection to our instance. And we can continue with step 4. Go ahead and click on graphical install. We're already connected, so step 1 is done. So now make sure you do step 2. I've already done this, so it might look different. If this is the first time running this, there'll be more output, and then it also says to reboot the machine. So reboot-f, and that would reboot the machine. So this terminal will get disconnected, and you'll have to give it about a minute to come back up, and then go ahead and reconnect to it using another PuTTY instance. I'm going to reboot it now because it's going to take a couple of minutes. And then install mate. Install the sysconfig file. So Amazon Linux 2 uses a service manager called systemd. You can configure the services using these sysconfig files. Other Linux distributions like CentOS or Fedora or the Red Hat based systems use systemd. So I'm installing mate for all users. Install IntelliJ IDE server. Set your VNC password. Don't have to set a view-only password. Skip down to using the systemd unit. Replace the user with EC2 user. System control. That tells systemd to refresh all of the .service files. So whenever you modify any systemd service file, you'll have to run the daemon reload and enable VNC server at 1 to start at boot and start it. Then install Tiger VNC viewer. So using Windows, go to the GitHub page, grab the latest version. So go to the bin tray. Binaries are available from bin tray. This just means somebody had compiled the source code for Windows. Down to, if you're running 64-bit Windows, go ahead and grab this one. Save that and run it to install. I already have it installed, so once you have it installed, you can find it in your, actually, you want this server. Download the viewer 64. So VNC is a remote desktop system, so you use this to connect to the server. Click to open it. It should give you, so you can right click the icon and pin to taskbar if you're using Windows 10 for easy access. And paste your public IP here. Add a :1 for the first desktop. Should prompt for your password. And we're in. So next step is to install. So this is the AWS instance itself. So now you can open main terminal, continue with setup. Step 6, install Java. Install Java 8. Since that's the latest major release, or public release. There's newer ones that are in a beta mode. Confirm that it's installed. Okay, and let's install Git. Maven. Set your password for EC2 user. So you remember it. It's going to be hard to change those. Install tar, fuse, and fuse libs. And install IntelliJ. I like the Toolbox app. It works pretty well. And download the tar.gz. Don't copy this onto your desktop. Copy the link. paste the link. Alright, yeah, JetBrains. I'm using tab to autocomplete ads. Accept the user agreement. And you want to install IDEA community. Okay, and I'm going to end this video here. Once this is done installing, we're going to open it up and then check out the class GitHub. Okay, see you in the next video.